Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete items from Printful store. So all you have to do is log in to your Printful, click login and enter your credentials. On the left sidebar, click stores or select the store where the product is listed. Now here access your product list. Once inside your selected store or go to the products tab, you will see the items currently synced to your store. All you have to do here is just tap that specific product and then you will see this three dots right here, and all you have to do is to click this one, scroll down and look for the delete option, tap on delete. Then as you can see, it's now deleted. Now let's just say if you have bulk or lots of products right here in Printful and you wanted to delete this, then all you have to do is to select all these products. Before you delete a product, they will ask you first confirm by tapping the delete button. Again, if you have thousands or bulk of products right here, all you have to do is to click all. And then after that, you will see the delete option above. Let's just say a lot of products right here that you want to delete. Now tap on the delete button. Don't worry, Printful will ask you first if you want to delete these products. And to confirm, you just have to proceed in order for you to delete. As easy as that. So all you have to do is to look for that specific product and tap on the three dots or look for the delete option. And you will see that the items or products are no longer listed here on your Printful. Now, always double check before deleting. Once gone, it's permanent. So if you want to pause instead of delete, consider unpublishing the product from your store. Deleted items can't be recovered. You'll need to recreate them if needed. So basically, that's how easy it is to delete items from Printful store. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.